Today, I thought we would make something truly special that you have probably never tasted. A Southern Thai recipe adaptation called Hor Mok Pla Salmon or Thai coconut salmon curry. Salmon is so good for you and flavors just work perfectly in this awesome Thai curry. If you want to learn how to make more authentic Thai recipes, click the subscribe button and the little bell to get a note of new recipes videos from me. Traditionally, hor mok is steamed in a little banana leaf bowl, and I'll show you how to make those, but you can make them just as well in small heat-proof bowls or ramekins. I will show you that way too. You can use any form of steamer as well, like a tray in a rice cooker, or a saucepan with a suspended pan, or purpose-made steaming appliance. Let's go make it! Let's Katie tell you about all the ingredients for hor mok salmon today.
Coconut cream.
Okay.
Sweet basil. I can also eat it, guys. Look. Red curry paste. It's a bit spicy for me. Salmon, my favorite, and pets like salmon too.
My favorite ingredient.
Fish sauce, palm sugar, egg, coffee lime leaf, and you all can bite it.
Chili Spurs.
Chili Spurs.
Right, before we do banana leaf bowl, we need to heat banana leaf first because this one is too fresh, and if you fold it up, the banana leaf will get broke. Heat banana leaf like that. When banana leaf goes turn to that color, you take it off. So you need the stapler, scissors. Right? If you don't have this, I'm sure you have. You can use a toothpick, just break it in half, like that. You need two pieces to put it together and cut the end out off, like that. Right? And then you can see this side, the inside bit and the outside bit, right? So when you put the other one on, put it like that, and then we will fold to side. Just go step by step here, and then this is done. So I like to trim the top bit out, like that. It's done. So for next step, I have to prepare the vegetable for hor mok. Take the leaf off. You only need that much, and then slice chili spur, coffee lime leaf. Take the middle bit out, and then rejoin it. Roll it first. Then cut salmon. So for the salmon, you get a nice one, not too fat, not too much bone in there. That's it. Salmon is done. Let's cook the salmon and stir fry the salmon first before we do steaming. Coconut milk, red curry paste. The red curry paste is applied for the spiciness of this dish. So if you don't want your homok salmon to be too spicy, you can just put less red curry paste in there. I want to mix the red curry paste and coconut milk together smoothly, and then I will seasoning with my favorite one, fish sauce, and then palm sugar. Once the palm sugar dissolved, I'll add salmon in there to cook a little bit. Smell fragrance, the color's nice. Oops. Smell the red curry. The red curry gives you fresh smell. I love that curry. And then I will add egg, coffee long leaf, rice flour to thicken the curry a bit. You need to mix with water, some water first before you put it in the curry. You can see the curry thicker than before, right? So, turn the heat off, and then I will put it in the ramekins and banana leaf bowls. Before we put salmon curry in the ramekins, I'll put sweet basil in first. We steam it for 10 minutes.